Welcome. For this video, we are going to go through refreshing reports for the JICA DDSR COVID-19 dashboard, and the step that will be shown on this video will be on logging into the Microsoft Power BI website and being able to see if there are any errors after the either scheduled refresh time, or if you missed or the scheduled refresh time was over before the data was ready, you can log into this site and update the dashboard. So you'll sign in to the Power BI site and you'll log in using the username and password provided on the manual from page 23. And this steps requires you to use the Microsoft Authenticator, and you can download it on your mobile phone from the Google Play Store and log in using the provided username and password. And once you've logged in and authenticated using the Authenticator app in your mobile phone, you can now get into the site for the JICA DDSR dashboard. And once you log in, you can check for the refresh scenario, and on this page, using this Web2 link, you can be able to schedule the next refresh on the reports by clicking on this button. And when you click on it, it will show you the setting page for the Baringo County report, and this is where you are able to select the time and the frequency of scheduled updates. This is an easy way of working around if you've done and updated the data either before 9:30 or between 9:30 and 12 p.m. Power BI will refresh using the OneDrive link, and the page will be refreshed. And if this happens before you have the data ready, then you can be able to log into this website and refresh these pages manually outside the scheduled refresh times that you've set for yourself. Normally the refresh process takes around 30 minutes, but it can go as long as an hour depending on other factors on the background, not within our manipulation. So if you are to manually refresh, this is where you come and refresh all the different counties individually. And for you to be able to know when the last refresh took place, this is the column to look at. For example, the national page was refreshed. Here it is. It was refreshed today at 3:24, and the next refresh will be on 18th of January, tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. So this site, or this step, is basically for you to check if the refresh was successful, and if there was any unsuccessful refresh, there's normally a red exclamation mark that shows on this section here to inform you that either there was an error in terms of permissions, or the Power BI was not able to reach the documents that are needed for the refresh to take place. Another thing to add here, if a third party or another person is scheduled to do the site's refresh, you normally required, before refreshing the site, to change the permissions for it to work on your end, because now there's another computer, another person doing the refresh, and you'll normally required to do that by clicking on this page and coming here to coming here to the data source credentials, sorry, I think this only works when the links are ready, but you'll have to come here to the data source credentials and edit it and refresh it for it to work on your end. I think that is all that I can be able to share with regards to both manual refresh and scheduled refresh steps for the JICA DDSR dashboard.